Hi! In front of me is cat S53 and today I would like to show you how you can turn on or off app notifications. First of all, go into Settings and tap on Apps and Notifications. Then click on Notifications, scroll down and select See All from last 7 days. Finally, you can click on Most Recent and pick one of those options, like Most Frequent. Lastly, just click on the switcher next to one of your apps from which you want to block notifications, like Gmail. You can switch them back on the same way. If you want to, you can also just click on one of your apps on the left and do exactly the same from here. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!